Welcome to the lecture series on real analysis. In the previous lectures, we have seen some examples of a neighborhood on real. In this lecture, we are going to find out the neighborhood of a point in a real plane, that is an R2. Okay, in this problem, let us start with a simple problem. That is why we have started with a neighborhood of origin in R2 with radius 2 when the metric is defined to be in this form. Now, what happens here? We need to find out the neighborhood of this point, that is neighborhood of 0, 0 with radius 2. Okay, it is going to collect the points in R2 such that it satisfies this condition, that is summation I runs from 1 to 2 absolute of xi minus yi whole square to the power 1 upon 2 is less than 2. It is satisfying this condition. Now, let us simply take this and see what it is. Here, we need to consider only that part, that is summation I runs from 1 to 2 absolute of xi, okay, absolute of xi minus yi whole square to the power 1 upon 2 less than 2. Now, it is given that we need to evaluate at 0, 0 and our x point is going to be 0, 0. When you substitute here, what you will get is that summation I runs from 1 to 2, 0 minus y1. Okay, let me not write this part. Okay, it is summation, absolute of 0 minus y1 square plus absolute of 0 minus y2 square to the power 1 by 2 is less than 2. When you take this power 1 by 2 to that side, what you will have is that absolute of y1 square plus absolute of y2 square is less than 4. This clearly tells you that y1 square plus y2 square is less than 4. What it is? It is the circle with center at origin and radius 2. That is, this is nothing but 2 square, radius 2. Okay. The points inside the circle are going to be the neighborhood, right? Hence, the neighborhood of 0, 0 with radius 2 is the circle centered at origin with radius 2. If you just plot it in a diagram, you can see that this is our origin. If this is the radius 2, okay, this is going to be our neighborhood. But we will not consider the points on the boundary. We are just going to consider the points inside the circle. Okay, this is our neighborhood. Next, for the same case, we are going to see what is going to happen when the considered metric is this. It is given that here we are going to find out the neighborhood of 0, 0 with radius 2. It is going to be what? It is going to be the collection of points in R2 such that it is satisfying this condition. Here x1 is 0. 0 minus absolute of y1 plus 0 minus absolute of y2 is less than 2. Okay. So it is going to collect the points in R2 such that absolute of y1 plus absolute of y2 less than 2. Now we need to identify this region inside the plane. Okay. Let us consider the plane. Okay. Now from this we need to identify the points. Center is 0, 0. In all the neighborhoods, the point for which we take the neighborhood will be a member of the neighborhood. Okay. What is going to happen here? Suppose y2 is 0. Then what? Absolute of y1 is less than 2. This tells you minus 2 less than y1, sorry, minus 2 less than y1 less than 2. Okay, the similarly the same goes for minus 2 less than y2 less than 2. So if this is minus 2, this is 2, okay fine, then minus 2, then plus 2. Okay, these are all the boundary points, but we don't know whether we will have a circle which is passing through these points, or we will have a square, or we will have a diamond. It may be any shape, but these are all going to be the boundary points. Now let us see what is going to happen here. Just have a look at this. What are all the possible cases? Here these values has to be less than 2, but your y1 may be positive or negative. Similarly your y2 may be positive or negative. So when you combine these things, you will have 4 possibilities. That is, here let me have y1, possibility for y1 and possibility for y2, and let us see what is going to happen. Okay, if y1 is positive and y2 is positive, then this equation becomes what? y1 plus y2 less than 2. Right? When your y1 is positive and y2 is negative, then absolute of y is simply y. If y is bigger than or equal 0, it is minus y if y is less than or equal 0. Right? This is the definition of a absolute function. Using that, here this will become y1 minus y2 less than 2. Then if you consider this to be negative and this to be positive, you will have minus y1 plus y2 less than 2. And similarly, when you have both the things are negative, you will have minus y1 minus y2 less than 2. Okay, now we need to identify the points. y1 plus y2 is less than 2. In order to find what are all these on the plane, you can consider y1 plus y2 equals to and find the line on the plane. Okay, because these are all linear and this is going to represent a line on the plane. y1 plus y2 equals 2. When you substitute 0, what? When you give y1 is 0, you get y2 is 2. So it is going to be 0 comma to this point. Okay. And similarly, when you give y2 is 0, you are going to get y1 is 0 and this is going to be this point. So a straight line passing through these 2 points. Okay. Similarly, when you substitute here y1 is 0, you get minus y2 is 2. Therefore, your y2 value is minus 2. So it will be 0 comma minus 2. It is this point. Okay. And when you give y2 is 0 and y1, you get it to be 2. So it is going to be 2 comma 0 and that is this point. So a straight line passing through these 2 points. Okay. And the rest of the 3 points rest of the two equations leads you to these 2 things. And finally, the common region between all these 4 lines is going to be your neighborhood. Which means what? This is the common region between all the 4 lines. Okay. And you can see this. This is a diamond shaped region. Okay, this region is going to be your neighborhood of 0 comma 0, because for 0 comma 0 only we are finding the neighborhood. For 0 comma 0, this is going to be the neighborhood with radius 2. Okay, when I have explained these things on metric, I have forgotten to say the name for this metric. This metric is called as rectangular metric. Okay. We have come to the end of this lecture. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment box. That will be addressed within 24 hours of time. Thank you for watching.